Da 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 da. Hey. Da, 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 da. Dance time. Hold on. You'll see why we're dancing. Da 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 da. Hey. Okay. We'll do the facing the butt way sign. Okay, we'll tell you why we're dancing. This is our first video on YouTube. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy. Please only put up fun thumbs up. And if you put thumbs down, sheesh. Wah, wah, wah. Anyways. Also, it's called Manaphy and Fanphy. Oh, actually, I want to sit down. Okay. Manaphy and Fanphy. Yeah. We're just gonna do some tunes. So you don't have to watch us. Just wait 2 seconds. Okay, I think that was far. Either way. Actually, it doesn't matter. Manaphy and Fanphy present Peanut Fight. Wow! Look at the size of those. Look how many peanuts there are on that. Wow, that's awesome. Look at all those good peanuts. Ooh, peanuts. Peanuts. In fact, I'm going to crack one open right now. Die, evildoer! Die! Die! Well, I couldn't. Ooh, this smells good. See, here, smell it. It smells like cherries. No, it doesn't. Smell yourself. It smells like candle. Yeah, you're right. I was kidding. Actually, it does smell like cherries. Da 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 da. What's so bad about a candle smelling like cherries? Red light. Sheesh. We gotta get to our fight. Secret fight. Let's hope there's no cherry candles in there. Ready, set, go. Dang, I didn't throw myself in the garbage. Me either. Dang it. We gotta go on the garbage track. Garbage. Yeah, I threw myself in the garbage. Garbage. Oh, dang, I didn't throw myself in the garbage. There we go. Okay. Boop. Boop. It's strange that a garbage truck. It's strange that a garbage truck is more like a truck that you go on to ride on. Anyways, here is our fight. Da 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 da. None of your business. What it is made out of. None of your business. None of your business. What it's made out of. Woo! And also we put our password in here. You guys can't look. It's pretty secret. Yeah, look at me while I'm fighting. Boop. Okay. Doot 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 doot. Oh my gosh, I just found it. It's pretty dark. Hallelujah. It's pretty dark, you guys can't see. Roman to fight. Anyways. Oh, dang it. Who cares about that stupid fart? Anyways. Yeah, good. We have another one. Well, we gotta go. We have a little battery. Bye. Da 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 da. Look for part 2. Bye.